Well, I just started to look outside, and we've got the whole family tonight. There are 6 of them out there. 2, 4, 5. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One over there ways. It's almost like something's coming from over the side here, because 2 of them are looking over there, kind of backing away. Look at this. Can you believe it? Look at this crowd. Oh my God. Well, it's a good thing we're leaving because they won't get used to having food here at least. Look at that. They're huge. Boy, that one, they're sure looking over there like there's something along the side of the house. Wonder if one of the cats is in there. Over there and just, then they're all big. I mean, how do you tell the females from the males if you can't see on their tummies or anything? Okay, yeah, you move out of the way. Let those all empty. How do I give you more food? Oh, look at this standing up, please. Please feed us some more food, Mama, Grandma. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm going to put you on pause and look at that. Look at this. And put some more out there. I've got to. I'll be very careful. I'll be right back. Well, they moved back when I went to put the food out, which is good. Now they're all back under the bush. But there is food down here. Well, something spooked them because they were just standing right here waiting for me to put the food out. Okay, well, I'm going to shut the door, and, they're all standing here looking at the door, kind of looking like, trick or treat, Halloween night. Bunch of kids dressed like raccoons. Okay, bye, guys. Maybe see you tomorrow night.